Hi, today I'm going to show you the new AI usage measurement feature. So we have added AI as an activity area in both Final Footprints and Early Insights. So I'm going to show you it in Final Footprints first. So here's one I made earlier, or Sophie made earlier, and I'll show you what the form looks like for AI usage. So I'll click Add here. And you'll see I can add either image, video, or text. So let's do text first. We've tried to keep the inputs here as small as possible so that you don't have to find out too much detail. But hopefully you'll know the model used. You'll need to include that. So let's go for Gemini. The country or region is where you are located or the person using the AI tool. So today that's me. I'm in the UK. The number of text responses generated. So you'll see I'm clicking on these little tooltips or hovering on them, and that gives you a bit more information if you need it. So getting one response back to a question is one response. If I've got a whole conversation that included 20 responses, the number in here would be 20. So let's say I've had a whole conversation. And the average length. So you can see small, medium, large, and extra large. So I'll go with medium. Now, if you need to get any of this detail, we've actually created a prompt here that you can paste into your model and it will give you the answers that you need. So at the end of a conversation, if you want to measure it, simply pop in these details and it will tell you what you need to put in these boxes. Additional info is here as well. I don't need to do that for now. There's also a show example button. So that will show you exactly what to put in these boxes based on an example. Let's close that. Let's not worry about saving that one, but let's do a image instead. So again, select the model, where you are, and the number of images generated in this case is slightly different to the text because quite often you get multiple options from each question you might ask or each prompt you might give it. So in this case, if you have a whole conversation, you've maybe asked, you've made 3 prompts and each time you got 4 images, the number you need is 12, 3 times 12. So let's put 12 in here. And again, relevant info can go in this box, and there's an example too. If I pick video, again, select the model, country or region of where you are, number of videos generated. So again, quite often you get multiple options. So if you've asked it, we've put in 2 prompts and you get 4 back each time, then 8 videos have been generated. So we'll go with 8. Select our model first. And then the average duration, let's say there, I think 7 seconds. And again, additional info can be input. Now we don't have a prompt for this one or for image because it's been a bit trickier to get right, but if we manage to do that, we'll add it here. So for now, you'll need to get that information yourself. Save that and it will turn up like any other activity on your project, and the amount of CO2e will be shown there for you as well. You can add AI in pre-production, in shoot, and also in post-production too, in exactly the same way in all places. And I'm just going to show you that it's also in Early Insights. So if I go to Early Insights, I'll just go to an existing one here for ease. AI usage is shown here. So here you're asked for a lot less information. So this is just an estimate of how many responses you think will be generated for the project you are potentially going to work on or in early stages of, just to give you a sense of what you might be incurring in terms of carbon. So this is really simple. It's just a number in each box. So let's say 100, and maybe we'll have 1,000 videos. Hit estimate, and that will be added on. Just having a good old think about it. There we go. And now you'll see AI usage is included in this pie chart as well. Simple as that.